Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at a new part for the 68 to 72 cars and trucks and the 68 to 77 Broncos. Satin black accessories have become popular items recently. Sometimes people just want something besides the standard chrome look. Dennis Carpenter now offers the inside door handle in a satin black finish for those who want to give a little custom look to the interior of your classic Ford. Made exactly like our stock chrome Ford originals, these handles are finished in a high-quality satin black coating, and for a trouble-free installation, come complete with the mounting hardware and pre-installed rubber bumper. They are available in the right and left-hand side, each sold separately. So if you're looking to add a custom touch to your restoration, these satin black door handles may be just what you need to set your project apart from the rest. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.